Izzy. I'm 14 years old and I'm from Dublin. I want to come on here and make this video because I just finished up with Bex, doing the Thrive program. I have had emetophobia for around 8 years, 7 to 8 years, and it completely impacted my life and it completely changed my life. I was completely housebound for a couple of years. I very much struggled with leaving the house. I struggled with doing basic day-to-day things. And if you're actively struggling with that, I mean, anxiety in general or mental health in general, I want you to know that you are not alone. And if you put your all into this program, you will come out an amazing, incredible version of yourself. It's unbelievable, and it takes effort, don't get me wrong. You know, sometimes you don't want to do it, and sometimes you feel like you can't push yourself, but the best thing you can do is do the scary things. That's the best thing you can do. And I think that would be my one main piece of advice for anybody who's actively going through it and just starting out. Yeah, Bex is an amazing coach, and I'm sure you guys will have a lot of fun with her. She makes it fun. It's not scary, you know, it's not like threatening, and it doesn't feel terrifying, you know? And, yeah. I know you guys will be doing so much better in about 6 weeks' time.